Everyone, my name is Natalie Hickman and I am the 11th grade English teacher and English honors teacher. I'm so happy to be at Mohan. In fact, this is my 4th year teaching English at Mohan High School. So what does English entail? Well, English is all about reading and writing rhetorically. What does that mean? It means your student is going to learn critical thinking skills in reading and writing. That means they'll be able to evaluate someone's argument. And then they'll turn it around and be able to write an effective argument of their own. This extends far beyond our English class. This can take them to college. This will help them prosper at work, and this will even help them in personal relationships. We can all use critical thinking skills, and that's what we're going to learn this year. I look forward to having a wonderful year getting to know your students and filling them with all of the knowledge and work it takes to become successful now and beyond high school. Please feel free to message me with Remind or through email or through Parent Square with any questions or concerns you may have. We both want the best for your student, and I look forward to working with you and working with them. Thank you.